Okay guys, so in this video, I'm going to show you how I got from frizzy hair to my hair looking like this. Welcome back to the Hair Obsessed Club. It's me, Hair Obsessed JC, and in today's video guys, I've decided I'm just going to show you a really quick way of how I've been keeping down frizz while having my big cornrows hairstyle. So if that is something that you're interested in seeing, keep on watching. So the first thing I'm going to do is moisturize and seal my hair, and I'm going to be using this mixture that I did for my daughter's hair. Inside this mixture I have aloe vera juice, my herbal oil, glycerin, and of course a little bit of leave-in conditioner. I'm going to spritz that all over my hair, making sure to saturate the hair a little bit, not too much, just enough for it to get into the braid. So now that I have that all over my hair, I'm just going to press that into my braid, making sure that the hair is moisturized. Okay, so now that I'm done with that, I'm just going to use my foam and I'm just going to help to mold the braids back into place. Everything that you see that I'm using, I'm going to be leaving it in the description box for you guys to check that out. If you're this far in the video, don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to the Hair Obsessed Club. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is to continue with the molding of the hair. I'm going to be wrapping my hair up into my hair tie. I'm going to leave that there for about 10 to 15 minutes. So this is it, you guys. I've been using this hairstyle for exactly 1 week. This is how I preserve the hairstyle going into the next week. So comment down below and let me know what you think of how my hair looks after just 1 week. So if you haven't seen the first part of this video, make sure to watch that next. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, make sure to share it if you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Adios.